Hello friends, my name is Rohit and welcome to my channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can launch an EC2 instance or you can use a virtual machine using Amazon Web Services. So for that the very first thing we need is that putty gen and putty key. So open your browser and type putty download, hit enter. Go to the very first link. Okay, come into the binary section. We need putty.exe. Click on that. Save it. I'm gonna save it on desktop. Hit putty gen. Click on it. Save it on a desktop. Now we'll search for Amazon Web Services. So you can either search Amazon Web Services or aws.amazon.com, amazon.com, then hit enter. Click to sign into the console. Once you get into this page, if you don't have an account already, just click on I am a new user, provide your email address, and you will be redirected to a page where it will ask you for your basic informations. So here one thing is important, that you need to provide your credit card details to access Amazon Web Services. I think the debit card may work, I'm not sure about that, but you can try it. So since I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in for now. Let's see. So you may see a window like this. You see all services, developer tools, game development, mobile services. So we need to launch an EC2 instance. So you can see here EC2. Click on this. It will show up a window like this. If it doesn't show a window like this to you, then try to find a launch instance. You can click on this. Here you can see that you can launch virtual machine like Amazon, Linux, Red Hat, SUSE, Ubuntu, Microsoft Server. One good thing is that you can see here these tags, it's free tier eligible. That means you can use it for free, but not all of them. There are some specifications, there are some restrictions. So for now I'm going to launch an EC2 instance for Ubuntu server. So this is our Ubuntu server. This is free tier eligible. Click on select. Okay. So when you see a window like that, it will say that which one is free. So this free tier is eligible. Now free tier is eligible, that means you can use it for free, but only up to a certain limit. That means you have a limited memory and hard drive for that. So you just select this. If you select others, then be careful, you may get charged for that one. And for how much they are charge you have to go through the documents. I suggest you to go through the documents and see over there. Okay, for now let's select this t2.micro. Then next, configuration instance detail. So here you can what number of virtual machine you want to install. For now it's 1, and as a beginner I suggest you to keep the settings like this and click on next. You can select the size, volume, and you can see different type of options here. I suggest you not to play with that right now, but if you really want to do that, you can see this section. You can click on learn more and go ahead. Okay, go to next. You can put the name, tags, or key value for now if you want. If not, that's okay, but it's a good thing to do that. For now, keep it simple. Click on next. Keep this thing as it is for now, don't need to do that. I may show you in my next video lecture that what the security group means, description, but as for the beginner we are good to go. Review and launch. So you can see what are the specifications you have selected, the ports, protocols, everything. Once you come to this page, just hit launch. Now here it is asking you to choose an existing key pair or select a key pair. So you have to select create a new pair. Now what key pair you want to give a name? You can give any name you like. I'm going to give AWS for now and download it. So I'm going to download it on desktop. Remember, it's a .pem file. Save it. Then simply click on launch instance. Okay, scroll down after this page, view instance. Here, don't worry about this Ubuntu. This is my old server which I have launched. You can see this is stopped now, and you can see the one which we just launched it's showing the instance state pending. So by the time it will be in running state, let's go and generate ppk file. To access the server we need a ppk file. For that, what we are going to do is that we just downloaded the putty-gen, right? So double click on it, click on more info, run anyway, file, go to file, load private key, desktop. Here, if you can't see the file over here, come in this section, select all files and aws.pem, click on open, say yes, okay, then save private key, yes. Now what name you want to save, what name you want to give your file? So I'm going to give aws.pp. Okay, just save it, close this one. Now let's see our instance is ready or not. See, this instance is showing in running state. That means it's okay for now. We can select it. So if you just select this one, so you can see an option like this. Let me click at the window, enlarge it. Yeah, so you can see the section over here. What are the details? IP address, VPC, and public DNS. So what we are going to do for now is that we'll copy this public IP, this one. Just copy it. Okay, now we have, if you remember, we have downloaded the putty. Just double click on it, see a window like this. It says host name or IP address. Just copy the IP address from there to here. Now come into this section, so you can see the connection, right? Come into SSH, click on here, see auth, click on auth, then here click on browse. Now you need to provide a ppk file. So this one is in the download section, this is my old section. So we just saved aws.ppk. Click it, open it, and click on open. It is asking you the server host key is not cached in the registry. You have no guarantee that the server is computer you think is. Just say yes. Here it is asking you login as. So we launched Ubuntu, right? So by default the login name is Ubuntu. So you can just type Ubuntu and hit enter. There you go. You can enlarge it. Now you can see what are the files directory you have, and it's kind of virtual machine. If you want to use anytime, you can use it. mkdir aws. Simple. See, you got a directory like this. So it's a simple Linux. If you have used that, you can play with that. As simple as that. Now when you can use that anywhere, once you're done, I suggest you that just when you are completely done with using the virtual machine, come to the action section, and here in the instance state, whenever you want, then stop it. So just say stop it, say yes. So when you say stop it, the server is not connected anymore. You can say okay, or you can say log out and then log out. So it's stopping now. So once you're done, just stop it, otherwise you will get charged. Once it will stop, then you can successfully log out. If you forget to log out from this machine, then you will get a charge. Not this logout, from sign out. Let's wait. So it says stop. So we are good. That means we won't charge anymore. You can come, say sign out, and we are back to our main page. So in this way you can use EC2 install or launch virtual machine anywhere from any system. I hope you like my video.